Hey, what up, guys? This is Pastor Cano again. We're coming up with another video in C Sharp, and today we're going to be talking about method overloading. Okay, what is method overloading? So, right here, I got a little concept for method overloading. With the method overloading, multiple methods can have the same name with different parameters, which is true. So I have our main program right here, and I have our class utilities where we have our method right here. So right here we have our user input, right? And then right here we are invoking the method that we have using the utility class, because that's where it is. Right here in the utility class, that's we have the method. Okay, so now if we run a program, it should give us the just for, I said, for kicks, for laughy kicks. So anyway, so enter the amount you get paid a month, like how much you get paid a month. It's $4,000, and then enter how many months? 12 months. Actually, let's do this. Let's just do this. Let's just do. Let's just use a stream interpolation right here. So let's just do that. Pan pan. And it's going to be here. Ta ta. Curly brackets. Let's copy this out, or let's cut it and put it inside. And then here we can say this is your yearly wage. Pan. Okay, now if we run this program really quick, it should give us what we need, we're expecting. So I make $4,000 a month, and 12 months going to be about, yeah, this is your yearly wage. $48,000 what I make, man. Anyway, so what we're talking about, we're going to be adding a method overloading. So we can use the same method. So let's go back to our utility class right here. Let's copy this same method and boom, right here. And then we're going to be adding. So it says, what is the concept? It says, let's go back again. It says, with method overloading, multiple methods can have the same name with different parameters. So keyword parameters. So right here, let's go back to our utilities and let's change our parameters. Let's just add another int. Let's just say bonus. Okay, so that should be good. And now we're going to say plus bonus right here. Okay, cool. So now we go back to our main program. See, we're using same method. The only thing we're adding is just to make it different, the parameters we're using in bonus, in type, integer, bonus. Okay, so same, yeah. Okay, let's go back to our program, and right here let's copy this. Let's ask the user also to enter the bonus. So let's just say bonus right here, bonus. Okay, and right here we gotta add bonus too. Total yearly wage. Let's just say bonus. Boom, we have that. Okay, I think that should work. Should we run the program? Let's run it, and and boom. Okay, so let's see how much you make a month. It's going to be $4,000, and then 12 months. Enter. Oh yeah, crap. Let's change this. Let's change this. Enter the amount of bonus received. Something like that. Okay, let's run it again. And let's do 4,000 bucks. Let's do 12 months. how many bonus you enter the amount of bonus you received last year. Let's, what is it, 1,000 bucks? Let's just do $1,000. So yeah, before it was giving us 4,800, right? $48,000, and now plus 1,000 is giving you $49,000. Not too bad. You can survive the 49,000, you know. But anyway, so the program is working fine. This is how you do overload. You can just add as many methods you want. You just gotta change the parameters. Maybe you can just change the type, you know. But yeah, so that this is pretty simple. Um, yeah, and easy application. So hopefully this application help you out in your journey to become a web developer. All right. Have a good night, and I will see you next. All right. Bye.